What's going on, guys? This is me, Mehdi Shakil, and you are watching SSTec tutorial. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can use dummy battery into your DSLR to get unlimited battery life while recording or shooting using your DSLR camera. In this video I'm going to show you how you can set up a dummy coupler or dummy adapter battery into your DSLR camera and power it up via the USB cable. It can be used any charger cable or your computer USB port or your laptop USB port to power up your DSLR camera. So further ado, let's get started. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this YouTube channel, and if you have already subscribed, then thank you so much. So guys, this is my Canon 800D DSLR camera with the kit lens. I use this camera to shoot YouTube videos. While shooting with this camera, I have to keep in mind of this camera battery backup. I purchased this camera almost 6 years ago, and now the original battery backup are not good enough for me. So I find out a solution to give unlimited battery backup while shooting with this camera. And the solution is the dummy battery with USB adapter. This is the dummy battery. This dummy battery looks similar like my original Canon 800D battery. This battery model is LPE70. You can use this battery to power up your DSLR camera via any USB port with 5V power supply. Removing this portion of the adapter, you can use power adapter or mobile charger adapter to power up your DSLR camera using this cable. But you have to make sure the adapter power supply must have to be 5V, not more than that, or your camera will burn. So let's see how to use it. So insert the dummy battery into your DSLR. Then here you will see a space to take out the wire from your DSLR, like this. Now you can use any USB port to power it up. Let's connect the dummy battery USB into my computer extension USB cable. Then let's power on the DSLR. Did you notice the power indicator blink? Now here you can see my DSLR is turned on, and if you look carefully to battery indicator on the display, it's showing us full. It will always gonna show full. That means we don't need to worry about DSLR battery life while shooting videos anymore. And if you want to use your DSLR for outdoor shooting, you can carry a power bank to power up your DSLR. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you liked this video. If you really like this video and enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And guys, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest upcoming video tutorial notification. I'm Mehdi Shakil, you are watching SSTec tutorial, and I'm signing out.